Hi guys, Sister D's in the house. Watch your mouth. See what I'm dealing with, guys? A winter storm. And I'm stuck at work. All I got to say is, everybody better show up for work because I'm not staying here. I know they're going to start their shenanigans soon. Talk about some, don't expect to leave. Ha! I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm halfway through my day. And this snow is supposed to not stop until tomorrow. So yeah. Can y'all see everything? Yeah, guys. This is what I'm dealing with. Hope you guys are nice and warm where you're at. This is only like the second big snowstorm so far of the winter. But yeah, let me take my behind back inside here. I just wanted to do a quick little video, guys, before I bust my behind. I'm bust my behind out here with my Crocs on. Yeah, guys, this is what I'm dealing with. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday. But yeah, I have snow all in my hair. Winter, gotta love it. Gotta love it. But okay, guys, I'm about to go back up in here. And finish out my day. Whew. If it's snowing where you guys at, please be safe. If you don't have to go outside, don't go outside. 'Cause it's not worth it. But yeah, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. And I will be talking to you guys soon. Peace.